Have you ever wondered how all these products got on the shelves? Hi guys.
Welcome to Great Dane.
It's a nationwide company that offers world-class products in the trailer industry. Variety of trailers from dry freight vans, refrigerated trailers, flatbed trailers, and even truck bodies.
I'm here with Jeff Campbell, Dave,
Shayla Novokuski,
Rob Winder,
Jim Mitch,
Elaine Pilkus,
Tara,
Mark, David Britton.
Teamwork is an intricate part of what we do. There's many problems out on the production floor that are best solved by teams versus an individual. So teamwork is very important to solving problems.
What do you do at Great Dane?
I am a material handler.
HR manager.
I am a quality gate inspector.
Shop supervisor,
manufacturing engineer.
I'm a welder here at Great Dane.
And what do they do here?
I ensure that all these production crews get their parts in a very timely manner. This way they don't run out of parts, production does not stop.
My job here is to design jigs, fixtures, tooling, and whatever these people need out on the shop floor to help make their jobs easy.
I make sure there is no defects on all the walls, and I pass it through to the next area.
What we have going on behind us here is what we call our upper running gear weld. So what you see here is the two slider rails at the bottom getting welded to the cross member, and the two slider rails will be what will hold the suspension in place.
I weld crash plates. It goes in the back of the trailer, underneath the door on the bottom, and it's just for extra safety in case someone crashes into the back of it that the trailer doesn't buckle.
And what do you think is so cool about manufacturing?
What I think is so cool about manufacturing is I'm building a product, a good product that's going to be out on the road. It's a safe product, and I just know the product that we build here is going to be able to bring product to the stores, and so we can go out and buy them.
What do I think is cool? I think the fact that every day I come in here, I see truckloads of raw material out there, and at the end of the day, we turn out a product that's ready to ship and move product out on the nation's highways. And that's a wrap for Great Dane.